Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Inhlizonde. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back IFAM. And if you are new to this channel and you'd like to join the family, all you have to do is subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also press that notification bell to receive my latest uploads. So this is a weekly vlog. Today is Saturday and we're just going to be going around just running some errands. And I'm hoping to go to PEP Home to get a few things, and also go to Woolies to also get a few things as well. And basically that's just going to be what we're going to be doing today, and you are going to be spending the week with me. You can drop me off right here. Thank you. I need to do as a card request. Yes. Thank you. This is so cute. Okay, so it's Sunday morning, and actually I woke up at 6 a.m. right? I woke up at 6 a.m. and then getting vuganji, load shedding, and so now there was load shedding, and we are on stage 6 load shedding, so it's going to be load shedding for 4 hours. And so now uzewabuya ngo 10. And the church that I was planning on going to, their service starts at 9:30 a.m. And I was like, you know what, let me just join the 5 p.m. service. They have a 5 p.m. service. I like attending morning services because I just feel like I like it better. You start the day well, you know. I don't like attending evening services, but it's fine. So I'm going to be attending the 5 p.m. service. This is my first time going to this church, by the way. And I just really want to see, and more than anything, I just hope that like God confirms it's okay, this is the church for you, you know, because church hunting can be a bit shaky, you know. So I'm going to this church and I hope I like it. I hope God approves. I hope everything goes well. Okay, so today's vlog is just very, very messy. This Sunday is very messy because I'm literally creating content while creating content, and I had to do a quick get ready with me makeup edition, and then I did another one, like the outfit edition one. And so I just want to show you my outfit. Okay, you can't really see, you can't see at all actually. Cannot see it at all, but I want to show you. Look at, I'm wearing white pants, a black silk top, and pop of color red, I really like my outfit. It's so cute. I got this bag from Typo. Actually, my mom got it for me. She got it from Typo. I really love it. Top H&M pants, legit. I got these pants as a Christmas present. And gold watch, gold necklace. Perfect. I need to buy earrings. I literally have no earrings. Anyways, so yeah, let's go to church. So I just came back from church and it was great. It was great. They were talking about friendships and the importance of having godly friendships. So we're on this relationship series and they were talking about how, first of all, as people, we were meant to have people around us. We were meant to be part of a community and the importance of being part of a community. And I was like, wow, this is so important. In fact, the one lady that was, okay, it was like more of like a panel type thing. It wasn't really a panel, but it was like a couple speaking. And the lady was like, when God created Adam, when God created like earth, he created everything and he was like, it was good. He created this and then he said it was good. And then when he went to create Adam, he said it was good. But then he also said it is not good for man to be alone. So literally, I was like, wow, that is so powerful, because she even added the fact that God even saw it not good for Adam to have a relationship with just him alone. So it is not good for you to just be for you to be in a relationship where it's just you and God. You need people around you. And so, okay, she didn't say it like that. Obviously, like, she said it in a much better way than I'm saying it right now. But like, I was like, that is so powerful, that God, like, a relationship with just you and God on its own is not enough. You need to be part of a community. And so, yeah. And also they spoke about how to handle conflicts in friendships and all of that. And I really liked it. I think I like this church. It's really nice. I enjoyed it. I think I'm just gonna keep visiting there and see how things go. But yeah, I'm really tired. It is 6 p.m. right now, and I attended the 5 p.m. service. Literally, the service was just 1 hour. And yeah, I'm really just, it looks like the Stellenbosch chapter of my life is going to be a very interesting chapter. And so I'm just really excited to see what is in store for me this year.
Rise and shine and give all His glory, glory. Praise the living God. I am a star. It's a master. Rise and shine. I'm going to arise and shine.
Rise and shine and give God the glory. Okay, yeah. Anyways, so it's a Monday, new week, and today I'm going on campus just to sort a few things out. I'm not attending today. I am just going there just to go check a few things out, and then I'm gonna come back. Literally, there's nothing to do today. Because I'm attending tomorrow and I want to prep for tomorrow because my first class is tomorrow. And yeah, that's it, literally. So I'm attending class today, and that's why I've just been busy on campus the whole day. And okay, I'm attending an evening class, an afternoon class, but I still wanted to sort a few things out, so that's why I'm here. So it's literally today is my first day, my first class today, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen. Okay, so it's a Thursday, and I'm on my way to class right now. It's 5:30. I didn't record content yesterday, but I'm recording now. I couldn't do it yesterday, and so basically there really isn't much that I'm doing, because like I'm just attending and that's it. And so I just came back from my lecture, and honestly this module feels like it's going to be a bit tricky, but we'll see. Okay, we'll see. So this was literally like my first week of classes, well, lectures. It was my first week of lectures, and I'm still like trying to get into like a proper daily routine, but I think I did well. Like I think I did fairly well, but we'll see over time how like I managed to plan my days properly. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think by commenting below, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.